Where AI and machine learning, artificial intelligence and machine learning enhance training. So again, just sharing my experience from an enterprise perspective, not academia, what we've found and worked. So recognition and understanding. So there's some machine learning that's really helped us out there. When we've got corpus of data, we want to, maybe we're training up on a new intent, if you will, or a new topic area. There's some great tools and features out there to help us with building that up without a whole lot of user input, not a lot of us scratching our heads and just talking to people and talking to subject matter experts. Hey, give us some words to use. Right? We can bring data in from chat and have some tools actually build our training corpus for us. So all the different ways you could ask for, what is my checking account balance? We have data for that, and we have tools to process that data and build our corpus. Simple responses. I think there's some machine learning that's can help with that, although that's kind of light, in my opinion. I think it relies heavily on you having content, data sitting around that you're ready to put in front of your customer or your member. I don't know, if you do have that, that's awesome. Maybe there's some machine learning techniques that can help you build those simple responses, not dialogue, but here's the question and here's your answer. The next two I'm actually more excited about, and I think has shown more benefit to incorporating some advanced AI and machine learning, and that's, of course I say analytics, that's kind of not machine learning, but when we're looking at sort of more automation and ways of looking at how our systems or how our conversations are performing. It's instead of like our data scientist folks writing a bunch of rules, they've kind of come up with some really neat ways to view our performance and our data, in some new ways without a lot of manual process. And again, more work to be done there. But the user interface, this one's probably is not as intuitive. Let me talk about machine learning can, I suggest look at that as far as hints. So when you have frequently asked questions or hints when you pop up a virtual agent, being more relevant and timely on the suggestions. So helping members ask that question, phrase that question. Sometimes they just come in, they need help, and they don't know how to express it. Okay, so we've looked at, well, do we even need hints? Just have them type. Well, still there's those users that are kind of like deer in the headlights, right? They don't really, know what to type, and so the hints, FAQs, typing. When you start typing, provide some suggestions. Some good machine learning, because you have data coming in about what those questions are and how you're answering them. So some great machine learning opportunities there. And even positioning of your virtual agent. Where is it at? When does it come up? When does it engage? Again, you've got data and you build that feedback loop in to help influence how you get better at positioning your virtual agent, even positioning of those hints, like what order they come in. So don't just look at AI and machine learning for answering all your questions for you. Look at that engagement and keeping that engagement happening.